How to create a picture from text and bring it to life with AI. You can make a really simple picture with AI. And you can also turn it into a short video clip using the Runway website. So let's dive right into the video. First, go to the Runway website. I will provide a link in the description. Then, go to the Generate Images section and choose Text to Image. Now, type the prompt you want. You can also use the AI function if you don't know a prompt or don't have any creative ideas. This time, I used a really simple prompt, but sometimes it won't give the best results because it is too basic. So, it's important to use as many details as possible to get the best result. Then, click on Generate if you have a prompt. You could also train a model, but that doesn't work in the free version. So if you see I don't get a nice result, I press the generate button again to get more results. This time with a good result. I'll use this one. You can simply download it if you want. Now we need to turn this picture into a video. Go back to the dashboard. Then go to the generate videos section and press try gen 2. Now you can make your short video here. Just select the picture you have created and want to use for your short video. I want to make this picture come alive, so I type the prompt, bring it to life. But it is just a basic prompt. It's necessary to add more details to get better results. You could also use the AI feature here to get some creative ideas for better results. It can take a long time because you are using the free version. If you want to use it many times, I recommend getting the paid version because you can only generate a few seconds with the free version. And here we go. It gives an impressive result for the time it takes. Knowing that this is just the beginning of AI. Now you have turned your picture into a video using just a prompt and AI. You could also download it and use it for your social media or as B-roll or footage for your edits, which is really handy if you are an editor. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.